How to use USA Jobs. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you on how you can use USA Jobs, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now in order to use USA Jobs, you can simply go to usajobs.gov and then you will see this type of interface where you just need to tap on this little option and log into your account. By default you are on the job searching page, so if you are looking to maybe apply for any sort of jobs that could be available here, you can simply go ahead and then enter them here, and once you've entered them you'll be able to go ahead and then basically also hit the apply option here by simply searching for a certain job here. Then you'll be able to just tap the search option and you can apply for a job if you want to. Aside from that, if you want to view your own profile settings and so on also, then that also you can do by tapping the menu option from the top right. If you go to your profile picture over here, you'll see any of the settings that you can customize, such as your account where you can upload your resume, you can view your profile documents, save jobs, saved searches, and so on. You can also go to this profile section to be able to view other settings and your phone number and your email, and document section to view all of your reviewed documents by like uploading or building a resume and so on. And this way you will be able to use USA Jobs. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.